And this is with just one pump running. I'm able to give it 14.3 volts or so. So with all three running, I'm getting 12.9 volts. So most car systems are going to do better than that, and they're going to give us more something like 14.5. So a nice little bump if we can get more juice to these things. So this is the low end of the potential, and we're looking at 180 GPM. One pump, two pump, 75 PSI, trust me on that. Alright. So that's our flow, and here's what we're going to do. We're going to essentially clock it off this gallon jug here. So, alright, so right at an 18-19 second gallon. So, want to make a couple tweaks in that manifold to free up a little more flow, but we're already seeing, we're seeing about 180 gallons per minute here at 75 PSI through 25 feet of hose and rocking out, right? The problem with this setup, right? So what happens if I'm at the track and I punch it hard and the fuel goes away? It becomes a problem. I can't really do it justice here, but you got all kind of sloshing going on in a V, and what you'll see is just that you can create some situations where you starve. That's where my module comes in. All right, so here we are to show module function. So we've got one pump running, third pump, still overflowing. We've got a slight waterfall still on the front of the bucket. See if we can get any better view on that. So let's go for an aerial here. All right, so now we're going to clock a gallon. This is again not the most high-tech flow rate device, but we're just going to see how long it takes to fill up this gallon jug. And starting now. So again, approximately 20-second gallon. So 180 GPM. So I think why we're limited at 180 GPM is the manifold exit needs a little opening up. So I'm going to use some clever 5-axis work on the beta models. We're going to crank this flow on up to hopefully more, 850 liters per hour or so, especially with the 295. So more to come. But anybody interested in getting on the front wave knows they're going to be in the 1,000, 1,200 horsepower range, depending on your power adder. Let's talk.